Hello, welcome back to the Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. Round one, market report. Check the market report before we set decision for any rounds. You can check the first video for the finance statement and the second tip for the market reports. I show you the detail now. So now you check the result financial statement in the last video, and now we check the market report to see the details of sales and the profit for products in each region, right? For example, in the USA market, we can compare the price of competitors, and also we compare the sales, the number of features. We can compare that in each region. For example, you can compare the green with the gray to see the price, the feature provided for each product, and also the number of unique results. So we can adjust the price, adjust the promotion to get the better competitive advantage, right? You can do that for all the three markets. For the Asia, you also compare the price and see the demand fluctuation up and down based on that price, and also the number of features. And also we can see the strategy of the other companies that can go ahead to attack or enter the new market, right? The new and launching the new product in the new market to get advantage. Of course, they need to invest in early rounds. So for the Europe, you also can see the price details and the number of features and the sales for each at each level, different levels of the price and different features, you see. Okay, right? So not to set too high price like this. So the second tip for winning tips for the Cesim Global Challenge is to check the market reports to see the details of competitors, detail of the market before we set any decision for any round. You can check the other video for the more winning tips, right? More winning tips. And for overview, so we see that we check the unit result last round and check the finance statement, and now we check the market report, the unit, and so and a different level of the price. If you still have any question, you can send the email to cesimhave 2022 2020 @gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.